In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Compass Card on bus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Compass Card is extremely simple. I'm gonna give you instructions on how to properly make sure that it is set up correctly, registered, with enough balance, and how to actually use it. So first, for you to set it up, it is highly recommended to register your Compass Card. This can be done through the official Compass Card website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, visit the official website. Just look for Compass Card on Google. In here, you will be able to browse through all of the features and they will list what you can do. The most important thing is to register your Compass Card. So if you click on this option here, you will be redirected to this page where you can enter your card details, such as the Compass Card number, the security code, and an optional card name. By doing this, you will have access to all of the main features, so you will be able to protect your balance if it is lost or stolen. You can lock the card from your end. You will be able to securely store your billing information for future purchases. You have the option to automatically load monthly passes and top up low balances with autoload, or the option to enroll into bike, arcade, program, and access secure indoor bike parking facilities. But in summary, registering the Compass Card gives you access to the most features available, so highly recommend to do this. When you are done doing this optionally, you will be able to use your card by simply tapping it on the card reader as you board. So when you board any sort of bus or train, you will be able to tap your Compass Card, tap it on the card reader, and the fare will automatically be deducted from the stored value on your card. If you are unsure if you have balance, you will be able to go over to the website, and after you sign into your account, you can access the top up page. Once again, by entering the card number, security code, and your name, you will sign into your account and you will find the option to add value. You can choose from various different payment methods and load up balance into the card to use it on any bus. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Compass Card on bus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.